Enke Eloheinu, Enke Adonenu, Enke Malkeinu, Enke Moshiach.
I am sure that you know that initiating rituals through water is something that exists in different civilizations. You name the religion, you will find that there is some moment in the life cycle that people need to be submerged in different water sources. I'm telling you this because you know that we are in Parshat Beshalach, which is the parsha where finally they are leaving Egypt and they will jump on the Red Sea or the Sea of Reeds. But before that, I mentioned that water exists in every civilization, also in Judaism. You're familiar with the water bath, no? What we call the mikveh. Now, people only know, or most of the people know, that the mikveh is an invitation for, in most of the case, female to go and dunk when they need to change from an impurity period to go back to normal life, intimate life. I found something very interesting in a page called Ritual Well, where different rabbis from different movements say that even the mikveh can be used, no? The bath can be used to show and to stress different moments in our life. For example, God forbid, when somebody received the wonderful news that he's cancer-free. Imagine, after all this stress, going by yourself, he, dunk in the source of water and say a blessing. I'm free, I'm reborn. Or even when you give a driver license to your son or to your daughter and you are so scared, you hope they will use this weapon safely. You say, let's come to the mikveh. You're now 15, 16, 17, you're growing. Let's dunk in the mikveh and realize the importance of the moment. Where am I going? The Israelite left Egypt and they jump to the water. So what happened? It wasn't a miracle. What happens is that they left the waters feeling independence. No more slave. The dignity is back. So my suggestion for this Shabbat is think, from which situation do you want to be independent? And if you are able to dunk in water, what will be the purpose? To leave behind you what? And to open a new page in which emotion in your life. Do it. You will see. You will feel blessed. Shabbat Shalom.
Enke Eloheinu, Enke Adonenu.